Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your Lenovo laptop is stuck on the startup logo and won't load into Windows, you are likely dealing with a frozen boot process. I will show you exactly how to bypass this screen and force your laptop to boot normally in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, while your laptop is still stuck on the logo, start repeatedly pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. Wait for the boot menu to appear on your screen. Simply highlight your main Windows boot drive and press Enter. This step is crucial because it manually tells the BIOS which drive to use. Doing this often bypasses whatever small software glitch was keeping it stuck on the logo. Next, press and hold the physical power button on your laptop for 10 seconds until it turns off completely. Unplug your charger and disconnect every single USB device, mouse, or accessory from the laptop so it is completely bare. Now, press and hold that power button down firmly for 20 straight seconds before letting go. If you don't see it boot after this, then plug only your power cable back in and try turning it on normally. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.